Welcome back again. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML ordered list. HTML ordered list. Ordered HTML list. So, an ordered list starts with the OL tag. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. So your ordered list will be marked with what? With numbers by default. Definitely here when we write our opening and closing or OL tag, after that we can have our li inside it. When we have our li inside it, this one now, definitely they said the list items will be marked with numbers by default. So quickly, let's see how it works. Let's get back to our document. So this is where we are in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial, and we got this in our previous tutorial. You can check our ordered, you can check our unordered list on this playlist, so you can check it, so you can know how we got this one where we wrote here. Right now we want to use unordered, we want to use an ordered list. Let's now say here we are using UL here, opening and closing UL. So let's say for instance now, save our document. Let's remove that one and save our document. Can you see we are not seeing anything yet? So now let's get back here. Let's use our ordered list. OL is our ordered list, right? Let's see. We are having our opening and closing OL tag. Let's save our document and see how it looks in our document. Can you see? Nothing appears. Nothing appeared yet. Then now get back to our document and use LI and save our document. When we save our document, can you see we are having one with this dot? We are having one with dot. So quickly, let's get back to our document again and write anwar. Can you see we are having one dot anwar? So that's what we are seeing here. An ordered list starts with the OL, which we wrote here. As you can see, opening and closing OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. That is LI tag. This LI tag. Let's now say for instance now we don't want to use closing tag here. Let's see how our document will look. It still looks the same, but I will advise you make sure you are giving it a closing tag. Let's say for instance now we remove this one also now and show our document. It still works the same, but I will advise you guys that anytime you want to use this, make sure you put opening and closing, so that it will not destroy your document in case in the future. So I can continue this thing for you so you can understand this. And again, if you notice very well, in our unordered list we have dot, but this one now is showing what? Is showing us one and dot. So now let's continue. Let's write another list again, li again. Let's say akorede. We are going to see what will happen. Let's reload our document. We are having two akorede. Automatically it's numbering our elements automatically. Li again, ayofe. Can you see? It's numbering our elements automatically. So let's say we write li times 7 for instance now. Definitely when we write anwar akorede ayofe, let's say Ibrahim, John, Rahman, Tolu, Tola, Alikis, Rejal. Let's reload it. Can you see? It lists all the names along with what automatically. This is why they call it ordered list, because everything we write inside this thing is going to number it automatically. So I want you to understand this very well. So this is what we are here for today. Ordered list, ordered HTML list. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day and make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Bye bye. Thank you. Until the next.